Hey guys, we're starting our 4th week of school, and this week, upcoming videos that we have, we're going to be talking about citizenship today, which I'll get into here in a second. Tomorrow we're going to talk about unlimited government, then we have limited government, and then we're going to finish off the week with demographics. But this week we're going to talk about citizenship. Today we're going to talk about citizenship, and not necessarily your rights, but more or less responsibilities you have. We're not going to really even talk about the duties, but just more or less the responsibilities that you have as a United States citizen. And, by the end of this video, let's see if you're shocked by some of the things that I've come up and I've found. So let's talk about citizenship. Okay, guys, so let's talk about citizenship and your rights. Let's start with the very first one that I have, and it's pay taxes. That's the number one thing. You need to make sure that you pay your taxes. That is a responsibility. Everyone in the United States has to pay taxes. So make sure you do that every year. At the beginning of the year, and needs to be filed by April 15th. Here we go. Number 2, voting. Voting is very important. You need to stay involved in the voting process, in the democratic process. That's the only way that the United States works. That's the only effective way for the government to work. So please ensure that the second responsibility that you do as a U.S. citizen is vote. The third one, obeying the laws. It is very important for us to obey the laws. It is our responsibility to obey the laws as to be part of the general good of the population. So please obey the laws. And finally, donate. It is our responsibility to donate. That doesn't mean that people do, because not everybody votes, not everybody is paying their taxes, and not everybody obeys the law. But we do, however, want to make sure that we donate. Now that I've given you the four that I've given you, now let's go talk about some pros and cons of these 4. Pros and cons, pros and cons, pros and cons. Okay, paying taxes. Pro, knowing you will not get those annoying IRS letters in the mail. Con, realizing that you are not part of the elite 1%. Second, obeying the laws. Pros, breathing a sigh of relief when the cops are behind you and they are not looking for you. Con, understanding that it's probably just you following the rules. Voting, feeling good that you did your part to change the world, the country. Con, realizing you just did your part to change the country. And finally, donating, knowing you help someone in need. Con, wondering if the person that gets your furniture will find the pizza crust you left. And there you have it, guys. That's our pros and cons for the week. See you tomorrow when you watch tomorrow's unlimited government, then limited government, and then demographics. See you next time.